Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see XSS balancing, which is a very important part of XSS. So in this video we will learn how to balance XSS and execute our JavaScript. So let's see this in the practical time. So I'm onto a website which is orientalbirdimages.org. As you can see, there is a search parameter, so I'm just going to quickly search my name. So let's say I search for Hacktify and I click go, just to check that is this getting reflected. As you can observe in the URL, it is getting reflected into a parameter which is keyword parameter. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly give a very simple basic payload of JavaScript to check if this gets executed or not. So I will just hit go and wait. Nope, this did not get executed. Why? So let's see into the page source what happened in the background. As you can see, in the page source, I searched for Hacktify and you can see one-of-one match found here at the bottom. So now my payload has become a value. If you look closely here, my payload has become the value of the parameter value, right? So my payload is here. I need to take out my payload outside of this value, which is in this double quotes. As you can see, double quotes, double quotes. So I need to take out this payload outside to execute it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, if you look closely, my payload starts from Hacktify, then script alert 1 script tag close, and it is between this double quotes. What if I give this ending double quote here? So the application will think value double quote start, Hacktify double quote close. Also I give this closing braces bracket over here, the application will think that this is ended over here and this is not into the value of the parameter. So let's see what do we do. I'm just going to copy the whole payload and I have seen how it gets ended or closed. So I'll just go here and end this by giving this and hit on go. As you can see, I have successfully executed the payload, which means I was able to do a successful balancing. I hope you guys understood. Thank you.